Hi guys, good morning or good afternoon. So for science today, we're going to continue with Unit 4, Lesson 1, Why Do Offspring Look Similar to Their Parents? So I've already gotten into TCI. We are going to read the text with notes. So I'm going to go to the purple and do text with notes. And we are going to be not in the introduction today. Today we're going to be on Section 1. Different animal and plant species exist. So we've got a couple of things on our agenda today. We are going to read the text with notes, and you are going to do the check for understanding at the bottom, and you will post some of these things to Seesaw. So here we go. Number 1, Section 1. Different animal and plant species exist. You know that goldfish and lions are different. They look and act differently. That is because goldfish and lions are different species. A species is a group of living things of the same kind. Members of an animal species produce young of the same species. For example, there are many different crab species. Coconut crabs and flower crabs are different crab species. Each crab species produces young of the same species. Coconut crabs produce young coconut crabs. Flower crabs produce young flower crabs. Members of a plant species also produce young of the same species. There are many different maple tree species. For example, sugar maple, silver maple, and big leaf maple are different maple tree species. Each maple tree species produces young of the same species. So using our text features that we know from Benchmark, we have pictures of the coconut crab, the flower crab, and the Japanese spider crab. And the caption says that these crabs are all different species. There are many different species of crab, and they all produce young of their same species. So remember, you can click on species, and that will give you the definition. So a species is a group of living things of the same kind. That's kind of our main idea that we want to take away today from our lesson. All right, so go ahead and do the check for understanding. There are 6 slides. Note that it's not just this first page. So you're going to do the activity, check your answer, and then move on. Okay, so that's the text with notes. However, you have another part of your activity today. If you go back to your main menu and you click on sorting offspring, and remember you can click on the little arrow picture here, and this will make it larger. And what you're going to do is you're going to look at all of your cards, which ones might be the parents of the young panda below. And you're going to drag your choices to the boxes. So just so you can see, I'm just dragging and dropping. If I don't think that's correct, I can just drag it away. Again, there are 6 slides here, so you can continue on with the slideshow to get more of the lesson. And then you need to answer the following questions based on the visual data that you have examined during this investigation. So you're going to look at this, and you are going to answer these 2 green boxes, and this is what needs to be posted on Seesaw for today. All right, I can't wait to see your answers. I think that this is a fun activity for you to do, and it's really interesting. It's nice to move away from weather and to animals. All right, I look forward to seeing your work.